Machines that learn and adapt are shaping our reality, revolutionizing how we live and work. Are you ready to lead this transformation? The BE CSE Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning program at Chandigarh University, in collaboration with IBM, a global leader in AI and enterprise technology, is a degree designed to put you at the forefront of this technological wave. Learn from a curriculum co-designed with industry pioneers and leading global academicians, ensuring you stay ahead in the AI revolution. Engage in interdisciplinary research exploring emerging tech domains and get support for research paper publication and patent filing. Elevate your skills with hands-on training in state-of-the-art labs designed to bridge the gap between theory and real-world application. Get hands-on experience with next-gen AI and ML tools, mastering the technologies that drive the future. Leverage rewarding experiential learning opportunities designed to push the boundaries of AI and ML innovation. Transform into industry-ready professional, ready to take on high-impact roles across industries. Be the innovator the world needs. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.